Hello everyone, welcome back to the Complete C Programming playlist. In this video, we are going to learn about a very important topic called keywords in C. Without keywords, we cannot write any valid C program. But what are these keywords? Let's try to see. Keywords are nothing but reserved words which has a specific meaning. Means already there are some set of keywords in C. Every keyword is having some specific meaning. So if it is having some specific meaning, that need to be used only for that respective purpose. So in that case, keywords are reserved and keywords are case sensitive. If it is in lower case, we write lower case. If it is in uppercase, we write in uppercase. But all the keywords in C programming are lowercase only. In total, there are 32 keywords. All these 32 keywords are present in C. Starting from auto, break, case, char until while, all these were present. Note one point, keywords cannot be used as identifiers. Means you should not be using keywords as variables or classes or functions, etc. So that is all about keywords, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.